International Medical Music Corps. Check out this Russian technology from Boron Export. It's a revolutionary container in just seconds. It can create a smoke screen around 4 m high and about 25 m in diameter. This screen lasts at least 20 seconds, and not only gives visual camouflage, but also messes with our night vision systems and laser rangefinders. The container's big advantage is its versatility. It works for both armored vehicles and regular ones, so it's a solid choice for various situations. In 2020, around 2 million police officers were safeguarding peace in India, but who's going to care for the protectors themselves? The local company SMPP, of course, which is producing these shields. The Kara Stop 4 version stands strong, even against 7.62 x 54mm R rounds. It's got foam inserts to cushion the impact, and when needed, it can be secured with straps to free up the hands. There's also an attachment for a shield hanging system. Officers can connect multiple shields, creating a kind of mobile fortress, plus the shape is just right for shooting from behind the shield, both standing and sitting. ProApto Predator is a multispectral camouflage for head, shoulders and arms, designed to be compatible with ProApto stocking hood and ghillie cape shelter. For the 1987 Predator movie, visual effects experts mixed jelly and glow stick liquid to create the alien's blood. Now we wonder what the Italian company ProApto used for their camouflage. Seems like it could trick even aliens. Check out these thermal image tests at 27 m. The camouflage is waterproof, breathable, and silent. The lightest model weighs just 400 g. They plan to start production this summer, and both military and civilian customers can get it. The basic model is expected to cost $10,400. Equipped with a flexible spine, sliding waist belt, and articulated hip, knee, and ankle joints, the ExoM exoskeleton ensures operators maintain up to 99% ease and range of motion. This flexibility proves vital for navigating challenging terrains and confined spaces. The ExoM Up Armored Exoskeleton reportedly redistributes up to 70% of the overall load, from the wearer's shoulders down to the ground, plus it can withstand hits from 7.62 times 39mm roundsoldiers, and tactical unit police officers often have a lot of heavy gear to carry, including the ballistic body armor that they're wearing. That's where the ExoM Up armored exoskeleton is intended to come in, as it's load-reducing and bulletproof. Telemax EVO PLUS. This 4-track UGV is the logical choice for the most demanding situations. It combines exceptional lifting capacity up to 176 pounds, 80 kilograms, with a double payload bay. The slogan of the Telemax EVO PLUS robot is designed by experts for experts. This tracked machine can lift up to 80 kilograms, reach speeds of up to 5 km/h, and run for up to 12 hours on a single charge. Operators get an HD camera with pan, tilt, and zoom for top-notch situational awareness. Thanks to its versatile tracks, the Telemax EVO Plus handles 45-degree stairs with ease. The integrated mesh system ensures solid communication, even in 915 challenging urban settings. These robots are made by AeroVironment. The wearable counter-UAS solution consists of wearable RF sensors for drone detection, jammers that utilize smart jamming to defeat enemy drones, and an active, quad-band external omnidirectional antenna. Working together, they make a complete detect and defeat solution to mitigate the threat of malicious drones. SKYLOCK offers an innovative end-to-end detect and defeat solution to mitigate all types of malicious drone threats. Israeli manufacturer of drone detection and defeat solutions, SKYLOCK reports strong interest from Israel Defense Forces in the company's wearable drone protection equipment to mitigate all types of malicious drone threats. According to its LinkedIn post, the rugged unit weighs only 775 kilograms and features internal antenna and jamming capability. The equipment is designed to provide dismounted soldiers with full protection against commercial drones used by unfriendly forces for reconnaissance or as a weapon delivery system, allowing dismounted soldiers to focus on their mission. The X-Series shelter system is able to fill a variety of roles and missions. Its robust frame and size make it an ideal mobile field shelter solution for field hospitals, tactical operational centers, TOC command centers, relocation centers, and combat outposts. It builds on the rugged and trusted X-Series line of shelters, but adds the flexibility to grow out in every direction. Nurses' stations, field hospitals, patient rooms, drive thrust, tactical operational centers, TOC command centers, and more are all possibilities, with the new shelter's additional connection options.